Scientific method question number 1. An experiment to determine if bees are attracted to Diet Cola is detailed below. Each statement represents a part of the scientific method. Please match the step with the correct choice. There are 6 choices, A through F, that are displayed below. Please decide which choice is step 1, step 2, etc. So here is how you will answer. So there are six steps of the scientific method, and we want to figure out which of the choices that are listed above is step 1, which one's step 2, 3, and so on. So you're going to put these into a logical sequence of what would happen first, what would follow next. And how you'll select that is you'll just click on which choice you think it is. And there will be only one choice for each of the steps. So let's look at your choices. Choice A. Bees prefer regular cola to Diet Cola. Over a 3-day span, an average of 3.67 bees visited a regular cola can, while an average of 1 bee per day visited a Diet Cola can. B. We see day 1, 1 bee came to the Diet Cola, 4 bees came to the regular cola. On day 2, 2 bees came to the Diet Cola and 4 to the regular. And day 3, 0 to the Diet Cola and 3 to the regular. Choice C. Do bees like Diet Cola? Choice D. 2 cans of Diet Cola was set outside of a beehive for 3 days. The number of bees that visited the can was counted each day. Then, 2 cans of regular cola was set outside the beehive for 3 days. The number of bees that visited the can was counted each day. Choice E. If bees are exposed to diet or regular cola, then more bees will choose the Diet Cola. And F. Sometimes I see bees swarming around cans of cola. So again, examine your choices A through F and decide which one of these would come first, what would happen next, what would happen third, and so on.